Hi guys, welcome back to Sappy Crates. So I have started this project off camera. So basically, what I've done so far, which I need to touch that up. Yeah, they're like scraping each other. Oh no, I need to touch this up now. So let's do that on camera then. We'll touch these up real quick before we move on. So what I did was I took, the basic circles. They're 3 inch, and then I wanted 2 holes in it, so I did go ahead and drill a second hole in all of them for my project. When I drilled, I left the protective coating on so that I wouldn't scratch the surface. So then I went and I did a coat of paint. I did one side the Ocean Breeze, the other side the pink chevron. I did do this a while ago. So I'm going to actually just touch these up real quick, because some of them did get a little scratched. And all I did was I just brushed this way. I didn't brush the whole, paint the whole thing. I wanted it to be kind of choppy, like not painting the whole thing. So I'm going to need to do another coat on that. But once this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and do this Mega Glitter hologram Mod Podge over the paint. And then once that is dry, because from here we're going to be fast forwarding, and I'm not going to finish this project today, but you get to see some of it today. So let me get this off. All right. Sorry, my trash is overflowing on my little desk. Trash can is overflowing. Anyway, Sharon from Cheek to Cheek told me about the Mod Podge glitter. I don't think this is exactly the one she was telling me about, but I got this one. I got the silver and I got the gold. But I thought, gold and silver. And I thought that the hologram one would work better with my project. So after, because I'm going to do this all fast forward. So after this is dry and I do this, and then I'm going to put these vinyl words on them. And then I will show you what they look like. And then probably either later this week or next week, you will see the finished product. So let's go ahead and get these going. We are back, and the glitter Mod Podge is so pretty. So pretty. Like, look at this. Okay. So, I'm going to do part of them on camera and then the other part off. So, that's going to be like that. And then that's going to be like that. So here we go. And I'm reusing a sheet that I used last time. Alright, we're going to fast forward now. up doing both sets off camera. They look so pretty. So this one's Peace and Love, and this one's Joy and Noel. They're I'm not going to give away what I'm making yet because it's not going to be in this video, because I had to put a clear coat of resin over these so that I can seal them. But anyway, I have 2 sets here actually, but just so you can see, get an idea. They're so pretty. I am really happy with how they're turning out so far. But you're not going to get to know what I'm making until the next video of this one, which will be soon. I don't know when. I'm working on multiple projects at the same time, so I was trying to get them all ready for their clear coat of resin, just to save time on mixing resin and all that. So if I have a couple pieces I'm going to clear coat with resin, might as well get them all ready to go at the same time. So anyway, thank you all for watching this video. It's a little short, sweet little video because I didn't record myself painting these because it took so long for the paint to dry and all that. But I absolutely love how they turn out. They are definitely pastel Christmas, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for supporting me, and you all have a good one. Thank you. Bye.